Hi, I'm Dr. Ace there with a new patient, and I haven't even touched him yet. We've been through our exam. I just showed him his x-rays, and we're going to get to adjust him in a second, but I want Tom here to explain why he's here.
Bad sciatica running from my left side down my leg and into my foot. It's been going on for over a year.
Over a year, okay. Now, you went to see a medical doctor also.
Yes.
And what did you do?
3 epidurals for no results.
No results.
None.
Okay. And so he's here from a recommendation from my good friends to help this guy out. So let's actually help him, okay? So, Tom, stand right over here and face me this way. And you're going to just do like we did before. Just easy does it, knees straight, bend over as far as you can. Okay? You got that, Melissa? Good. Do you have any pain there?
Yeah.
Good. Good. I love that. Okay, hands right here. Now go back as far as you can. Okay, you see that? Is there any pain there too?
Yeah.
Good. That's awesome. Okay. Now, Tom, I'm going to have you lay on your back. Put your head right there, please. Now, go ahead and lay all the way down. You can take your shoes off if you want. What we're going to do is we're going to give you a little neck adjustment. Just scoot down for me, right there. Okay, put your hands on your belly like that. Okay, so you're like, my back hurts, my leg hurts. Why does it give me a neck adjustment? Well, this neck adjustment, what I was telling you on your x-rays, is probably where the problem's coming from. I'm going to go real easy, and then we'll see how you do. Okay? So the most important thing with this, Tom, is just relax. I'm not going to rush it. I'll let you know what's going on. Okay? We're just kind of poking around right now. See, you feel that tension right there? Okay? You want to get his face like that. Ouch! Okay, so, again, just relax the best you can, okay? I'm going to give you your adjustment here. Nothing big. We're just going to lay your head, just let your head rest on the table for me. Dan, let this go. Oh, good.
Just a little adjustment.
That was just a tiny, little, nothing. Just a little pokey. Was that painful? Honestly, be honest, it's fine.
Yeah,
Good, a little painful.
Yeah, a little
Okay.
painful.
Well, you've got a lot of years of problem in here. We got one more, we're done. Okay? You got a lot of years of problem. He's only been to one chiropractor, he said, about 40 years ago, 35, 40 years ago. And he hasn't been back to back one since. So, we're going to start off real easy with him today. This is easy, by the way. Okay, one last one, and you'll be done. Good. Okay. That wasn't quite as bad on that side, right?
No, that was a little better.
Good. Okay, now what I'm going to have you do in a second, you're going to sit up when I tell you. When you sit up, refrain from twisting or turning or throwing your neck around. I want you to just sit there. Okay, the more you do all those other things, the more you're going to undo what I just did. Okay?
Sitting up.
I'll help you sit up.
Yeah, because I'm going to need it.
No problem. So when you get up, remember, no twisting or turning. You're just going to sit there for me, okay?
Okay.
Good. Have your hand. Okay. Want to sit up? Throw your legs over the side. Go ahead and face Melissa, our videographer. Okay, now what you do, Tom, is just relax your shoulders. Slow, deep breath. You lightheaded at all?
Not too bad.
Okay, good. So in a second, I'm going to have you walk up and down the hall. Okay? You're going to walk to the front door and back. You're going to do that twice.
Okay.
And the reason we're doing that is we're going to recalibrate your spine. This adjustment I put in your neck is going to spread out through your spine. Okay?
Okay.
You ready to go? Go ahead and walk, buddy. You been drinking? You're falling to the right.
That doesn't surprise me.
Okay, keep your chin up just the way you're doing right now. Just look straight ahead.
Yeah, we've done a cruise line we've ever gone on.
Good, relax. Relax. Good. Good. You're going to make one more lap. Now, as you can see in the camera, what you see is you see him falling one side, you see him limping, and all that is because he has 48 millimeter displacement of his atlas to the right.
Yeah.
Okay. That's where his pain's coming from. Okay, let's stop right about there. Good. Now, before you do anything, do you feel any different right now?
I feel okay.
You feel different though, right? A little different. Okay.
A little different.
You feel a little taller. A little lighter, maybe?
Yeah, a little bit.
Good, good, good.
Yeah.
Does your leg feel any different? Before you do anything, does your leg feel any different? Your back feel any different?
Not
Significantly yet? Okay, that's fine.
yeah.
So let's do the test. Stay right there. Knees straight. Just bend over as far as you can. There you go. Was that better or worse? Same as it was in there? Honestly.
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit better.
Kind of crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Now let's go ahead and put your hands on your back right here. Go ahead and lean back. You can see that in the camera, right? Yeah. Was that better too?
A little bit.
Okay. Put your arms down. What would you say that's better? 10%, 20,
Yeah,
50?
10%.
10%. Okay. Come on, keep walking. One more lap. Good. Now, you can see on this lap, he's walking a lot faster. Doing great. Don't look down. Look straight ahead.
Getting my exercise here today.
Good. Good. Go ahead and stop right there again. Let's try this one more time. Take your time. Go over and touch your toes again. Okay. Stand up. 10% still? More? Less?
A little bit.
Okay, good. Okay, go ahead and lean back one more time. Okay, you're done. Okay, you can see how he's improved in the camera, and we're going to work on him some more, but he's doing a lot better, and thank you very much. Okay, we're here with Tom 24 hours later, and his wife called Doubting Tom.
Yeah, she asked me if I felt any better last night, and I called her a doubting Thomas, but I had to explain to her that my neck did feel better after adjustment from Dr. Thayer. So
Good. And I wanted you to tell me about the walking. I told you to go walk after the adjustment.
yes, yesterday after my adjustment, I was told to go walk over to the gas station and back, and normally I couldn't have done that, but
For how long you couldn't have done that?
it's been over a year that I could walk maybe 30 yards, and that I'd have to collapse down and wait for the pain to subside. But yesterday was good. I went over there and back. It was kind of a forced march back, but it worked for me very well. So
But further than you've walked in.
further than I've walked in a year.
Right on.
Definitely.
Gotcha. And then what about the leg? You said the leg
The
is
leg, the numbness in the leg and the tingling has subsided probably at least 50-60%. So
you still have a little in your toes. You're still not 100%, but you see a big difference. And again, Doubting Thomas,
yeah.
I'm convincing you.
Well, I'm working my way toward
Fair enough.
being convinced.
Fair enough. Now, one last thing I want to say or ask is, did I even touch your back or your leg yesterday?
No, neither one, just my neck.
Just your neck. And
Yeah.
so you're doing better, you're walking better, you're feeling better, and I just touched your neck.
That was it.
So can I ruffle my feathers? And
Go ahead and beat your hairy chest. It's all right with me.
so can you say thank you, Dr. Thayer?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, right
So
on.
far, so good.
Good, perfect.